Dear NTR TV viewers, we are here with you again with the Agriculture and Health Program in History. Today, we wanted to tell about the Tigernut plant, the origin of this plant, in which countries it is produced, in which countries it is produced for what purpose. And we will tell about its many benefits for our health. Let's start by explaining the tiger nuts. Tiger nuts are an herb known as truffle or ground almond. It has a special place in the pastry and beverages industry. This plant, which originates from Africa, is very easy to grow in the Mediterranean region. Market value is very important. The nutritional value of this plant is very rich. This nut, which has a laxative effect due to its higher fiber content, has high mineral and macronutrient value and is delicious. It is also used with roasted beverages. This nut is used even in its cookies, milk and pulp flour. It is a product that will be liked by the Turkish people and has the potential to have significant commercial value. What does this plant look like? It is a hibiscus plant 40 to 50 cm high. It is known that this product, which comes from an ancient tradition of growing agricultural product, has been cultivated for at least 4,000 years, especially by the Egyptians. According to historical records, the Arabs brought these tubers to the Iberian Peninsula between the 8th and the 15th century. Archaeologists have found indications in some Persian and Arabic texts that tiger nut, digestive and disinfectant benefits were known in ancient times. It was determined that the drink was classified as medical, even in those years was given to the patients as a diuretic and energizing drug. Both the tiger nut tuber and the drink taken from it are in the source of many beneficial properties for health. For example, tiger nut has miraculous effect in regulating the digestive system. It contains high amounts of lipase and amylase enzymes that fight bloating, which are digestive disorders. In the case of diarrhea, it gives positive results. It also works as a probiotic, helping to maintain the stability of the intestinal flora. They also highlight its heart health properties as it helps to balance cholesterol levels, reduce bad cholesterol, and increases good cholesterol. It is reported as a food that provides treatment for people who do sports. This treatment also applies to people who are disturbed by stress. Because tiger nuts help them calm down, its high zinc content has nervous system stimulating effect. It has a therapeutic feature for these people. It is a unique energy injection for kids. Since it contains minerals such as phosphorus, potassium, calcium, iron, and magnesium, it is necessary for bones at all ages and especially during growth stages. Where is it grown? What are the usages areas? What is the importance for health? The ground almond is tropical perennial herb-like plant that grows especially in Central and North Africa and the Mediterranean and Southern European countries. It is small, sweet tubers mature under the ground. In terms of the minerals and vitamins it contains, it is used in the production of vegetable milk as well as it can be consumed as nuts and its oil is extracted. However, its consumption as flour is the most important usage area. In addition to all this, it is also used as fish feed. Apart from being the main ingredient of vegetable milk called horchata in Spain, it is used for dessert making in England and France, for food purposes in Italy and Egypt, and for sugar production in northern Nigeria, Ghana and Togo. Scientists from the University of Valencia have concluded that ground almonds are very healthy product that supports the digestive system due to its high starch and amino acid content. It has been reported in various studies that tiger nuts products, flour, tubers, milk support bone and dental health in children and infants with their high calcium content. Dear NTR TV viewers, today we told you about the tiger nut plant and its benefit. Stay healthy. See you in new programs. Stay on NTR TV.